Henan Jiuyixing Building Materials Company Limited is located in Xinxiang, close to Zhengzhou City. Jiuyixing has rich experience in WPC door industry. Our factory is a manufacturer of WPC doors. It established in 2015, and we have been in the interior WPC door line about 7 years. Now, we have 52,800 square meters workshop, 240 workers, 5 production line for WPC door skin, 50 production line for WPC door frame and architrave, hundreds of mold machine for WPC doors, 3 automatic production lines. Our main products cover WPC skin doors, full WPC doors and WPC door frame, WPC assembly door, WPC wall panel and WPC skirting, and WPC molded door. Capacity can reach 1,800 sets door, 10,000 pieces of WPC door skin per day. With 6 years exporting experience, we have an accurate understanding of market trends, can give you some advice of doors design, color, size to match your market. We will offer you the solutions for your orders. At present, we have more than 1,000 of door design, color for you choose. Meanwhile, we can also provide customized services, including design, color, size, packaging, and about hour each order. Factory have QC to follow up every detail of the order. At the same time, you can also get safe and efficient logistics and transportation services. We operate with us for common success.
Welcome to jiuyixing.
Welcome to jiuyixing.
Welcome to jiuyixing.